know how to install Windows 10, very simple. You can go to my channel anyway. So that is there is a. So I have one of the highest views of one of the highest views. Maybe it's a second highest or a third highest. There's a lot of differences there. Okay, so in a highest also there is a lot of. Okay, so this is the highest. Second highest is very less. Okay, so it's a views only, because we are not telling to everyone that's you subscribe and channel like and share kind of stuff. So obviously some are by class, sometimes it is failed, sometimes successful. Okay, so mostly this is batch 13. So you can see here it is. It's how to download and create a virtual machine, install a Windows 10. So this is the second highest. Why I'm showing like this, it is easy to search like that. Okay, instead of searching, lot of videos are there from others. Okay, I know from my side. Okay, so you can see, go to my channel, videos, sort by most popular, select a sort by most popular. So then there you can find it. This is the most popular video. Still I don't know why it is. Even myself I watched it 2-3 times. Why it has become more popular also I don't know. And people are keep referring, they're commenting also. I don't know why people are watching this also, I don't know. So really most of them are other than our country people. Okay, I have a lot of videos and I didn't get any high views, comments or anything. Okay, I got some very good comments on few things, mainly Python related. Okay, this is got almost like a 7.1k views, but this is 232 views only. It's okay, no problem. If you want, so you can see Windows 10, download, create and install. No need to install, guys. So it is a purely optional, but you want to know how to download, how to create a virtual machine and all. So this is how to download and install a VMware workstation and how to enable virtualization and all. Just you better to go once. You can skip and also you can watch. Okay, you can skip it one step and a lot of explanation is there, no? So then you can skip it. So if you go there, so then you will understand this is the kind of environment we can able to set up on ourselves. If you like it, if majority people are like, you know, sir, we want to see how to download a Windows 10 or how to install a Windows 10 in a VMware kind of stuff, I can able to show you in one day, one separate class I will take it. Okay, once we are completed things, we do it. This is a guideline. Okay, even if you want to install a CentOS is a Linux operating system. You want to install a CentOS, you want to practice Linux. Also, there is a kind of things are there. See, it is installation of CentOS. Okay, this is a better way, easy way you can able to get it. So number of views, topic inside does not matter, guys. Okay, so sometimes 0 views also having a very good topic. Okay, 7k views, most of the people don't understand. One guy is commenting on that one is like, I don't understand anything, it is not a good one. So I said thank you for that one. Okay, I don't understand this comment also. This guy told work, thank you, I don't know why it is. Okay, so like that. The point is, see, if you go like this, videos, sort by most popular, then these two are, this is how to install a VMware workstation. This is how to install a Windows 10 in a VMware workstation. These two are very useful. I'm not sharing that link also. That is completely depends upon you. Okay. Okay. So yeah, date. So this is a 0 views. See, no one watched, even it is a very old videos. One view. So some are having a very good points are there inside, but views are very less. This is having highest views. No one knows why. Okay. See, this is fine. Okay. The point is, so go through Windows 10 once. Next, here in this one, after this, I put a Windows 10 architecture directly. So I don't have any plan to go with the Windows 10 explanation, features of Windows 10. Okay, it's a new operating system. So currently we are using Windows 10, right? So knowing about our operating system is always better, and features and uses of Windows 10 is also very important. Okay, see, so comparing, this is a Linux, like if anybody know Unix and Linux, they know what is kernel and shell. Okay, kernel understand hardware, shell interact with the user. But if you look at here, this is also Windows. Windows also having kernel and a shell part. So operating system kernel means your the kernel operating system means kernel part is nothing but a kernel part means which interacts with your hardware. What is that? These device drivers. What is the device drivers? You know, I have a laptop. My operating system means my Windows 10 know how to understand processor, RAM, and other few devices. For example, I have an audio chipset is there, or a Bluetooth device is there, or maybe Wi-Fi adapter is there. My operating system don't know how to work with those devices. Operating system don't know how to work with those devices. Okay, so then what I have done? So I have to install a device drivers. I have to install a those required device drivers. Okay, so somewhere my drivers are there. Look at here. These are the drivers. For example, this is a Bluetooth drivers. I have to install the drivers. Once I install the drivers goes with your operating system and tell operating system how to interact with the device. What is the drivers? Is nothing but a program make understanding or easy to interact with the particular device. Okay, what is a driver? Simply you have a application or a document I want to print. Okay, like a printer is there. Printer is a device. My operating system don't understand how to communicate with a printer, but device drivers knows. Device drivers help to communicate to the printer. So we will come back to the device drivers again if possible, but I'm telling now. So what is a device drivers? Okay, just I want to explain this Windows 10 architecture. That's why I'm telling like this. Next, executive services, system services. Every system, every Windows system having a running services are there. You are interacting with your system in a GUI mode, that is a one GUI in graphical user interface. Graphical user interface service related is there. I open some application. I'm running a Windows updates. I'm running a virtualization feature. I'm running a Windows Defender. I'm running a Windows Firewall. I'm running some applications. I'm running some installed applications. I'm running default application. Camera is running. Speakers are running. Mic is running. Mouse is running. Mouse is connected. How system will understand all these things based on their services. If service runs, the concerning program or a feature works. The concerned service not running, that feature or something won't work. Like this. Very simple. Okay. So for example, power option services, Windows update services. Windows update services are not running. So my system won't get update. App locker is there. App locker is to block the applications for a particular user. So this particular user should not access these applications. App locker, application identity services. Okay, like that. Like you are pinging, the pinging related services. Like you are getting an IP address. You are getting an IP address from your router. That is DHCP client services. DHCP client services. Yeah. Someone is waiting for asking some question. Shaik Kumar. Okay. Okay. So in a Windows, we have a two type of main interfaces are there. Actually, three here. Win32 is a regular Win32 environment to run any application. You want to run an application, to interact with an application. So executable files, Win32 environment. Next, Windows is far developed, means initially Windows is created based on a C languages, C language, but later .NET. Windows is built based on .NET. .NET framework is also running. So in Windows, Win32 based applications and .NET based applications also run. So we need a .NET environment. And Windows RT APIs. So runtime APIs also there. So to run an application like a desktop applications. Okay, Universal Windows Platform UWP applications like a Android Studio use it to build Android applications for Android TVs, Android mobiles, tablets, laptops, desktops, kind of stuff. If in case that app is there, Android Studio use it to build an Android application. Universal Windows Platform is used to build application for Windows operating system, Windows mobile, Windows tablets, Windows computers like a PC and desktops or laptops. Windows Store is one of the feature of a Windows 10. So this is the Windows Store. So in this Windows Store, you can download or run an application. Like you can download a application, we can download a game from it. Like you have a Xbox ID, then you can log in with your Microsoft account and you can download a particular application. Or if you have a Xbox ID, then you can play a Xbox games also. So this is a Windows Store. Okay, like your Android Store, where we download an applications and use in your Android mobile phones, tablets. Same Windows Store having an application. Okay, so this type of applications usually interact with the APIs. This kind of environment execution is there, and this is also useful for you build your own applications for your Windows operating system. Okay, like this. Okay, so but it is three layers, guys. Understand, bottom layer is kernel, on top of kernel along with the kernel device drivers, and on top of your operating system kernel there is a system services. On top to run the applications we need a environment is required, Win32.NET framework and APIs, Windows RT APIs to run applications like a desktop application, Universal Windows Platform applications, and Windows Store applications. So this is the architecture of your Windows 10. So I didn't put any heading like a introduction to Windows 10 kind of stuff. So we'll see that point in a reverse order. So first point is Windows 10. Microsoft is always insist to use a blue color. I think they're also colorblind. Okay, nothing like that is. So here it is certain features in the Windows 10. So comparing to Windows 7, what are the features of Windows 10? I will remove certain features and I'm going to add some more features from other slides also. Okay. See, so it is when you are comparing with the Windows 10 to Windows 7. Okay. So you can see this is the start screen, start menu style. Okay. Windows 7 and Windows 8. Originally, after Windows XP, Windows Vista is released into the market. It is not up to mark with the people. Okay, so then Windows 7 is released. Then it is somewhat people feel better with the Windows 7. and Windows Vista is further is changes and develop a Windows 7 and Windows 7 uh, and Microsoft think Windows 8 is used for both tablets, 2-in-1 laptops, kind of stuff. So what they done? So they develop a Windows 8 with a Metro style. But a lot of people don't like a Windows 8 because of that Metro style. They got confused with a Windows 7 start menu style and a Windows 8 Metro style. Then Windows 10 is a mixture of Vista 7 and 8. So finally they got this kind of start menu, normal start menu, and as well as a icon kind of stuff. Okay, improved cloud integration. What is a cloud integration means? OneDrive. OneDrive is one of the important feature of a Windows 10. Okay, so you can store the data into the OneDrive directly. So look at here. So this is my OneDrive. Okay, so like a Google Drive, you store a data and you can access from anywhere. So OneDrive is a cloud storage. OneDrive is a cloud storage. Again, guys, again, keep it in mind. Cloud does not mean storage. Cloud does not mean storage. Never say what is a cloud. Cloud is a storage. Never say like this. This is a completely wrong answer. Never say, not to anyone. If someone is your senior or someone like told like a cloud is a storage, yeah, you can see leave like that only. Okay, so don't mind about it. But important thing is cloud is not a storage. Cloud provide so many type of services. Cloud provide so many type of services. Okay, so one of the important services, one of the services storage. Cloud provide infrastructure as a service, means virtual machines, okay, storage services, database services, okay, platform as a service, database services, software as a service like a Google Docs, Office 365, Salesforce, okay, this kind of applications we are directly using from the cloud service providers. Okay, so cloud provides, the cloud contains so many type of services: infrastructure service, platform service, and software services. Plus storage is a one of the service. You can access the data from anywhere. The Microsoft storage service is OneDrive. Google Drive, Apple iCloud Drive. Okay, so this is OneDrive. So if you store a data in OneDrive, you can access from anywhere. New and enhanced recovery tools and options. It meaning is we'll get a reset option. Reset option. Earlier reset and refresh option is there. Okay, reset option, startup repair, and the stuff we are getting. Startup repair, other troubleshooting options also we are getting. So usually recovery tools are there. So you want to see that recovery tools, guys, don't do it in your physical machine. I'm showing, that's it. So this is the settings. I went to settings, like this is the settings, Windows button settings. If you go to update and security, there you can find a recovery. So reset this PC, advanced startup. These are the very important things in your PC. Recovery and advanced startup. Okay, so don't go with a don't do reset, don't do advanced startup. I will tell what is reset this PC. Reset this PC, for example, your system is completely corrupted, your operating system not working, something is happened, then go for a reset this option. Okay, system is open, but something like you open one application, it is open with other application. You open one document, it open with some other application. So it is completely wrongly working. Something problem is there. Then you have to go to this option. Go to settings, and go to update and security, and then finally go to recovery. There you can find reset this PC. So click on get started. They will give you two options. Reset this PC options. Two options are there. Keep files, remove everything. Keep files means all your personal files will be available. If you go to reset, it resets your PC, like it remove your operating system, applications and data, and reinstall your operating system. You won't get applications and data. It reinstall the operating system. That's it. It will take 3 to 4 hours time, depends upon your operating system, depends upon your computer. Okay, so like that. That's what is a reset, guys. In a reset, it reinstall your operating system. It removes your applications. Either it will keep your personal files or it will remove. Depends upon you choose option. You want to keep it, the personal files will be there. If you want to remove the personal files, you can remove the personal files by choosing remove everything. Next one is advanced startup. Advanced startup, when you got a problem with your computer, you want to troubleshoot, like a startup repairs, or maybe you want to use BIOS settings, UEFI settings. You want to go for UEFI settings, or a startup repairs, or some recovery. You want to do something kind of recovery. You can go to start advanced startup. So this is the improved in a Windows 10. Windows to go is available only in a Windows 8 and Windows 10 Enterprise Edition. Okay, so Windows to go, you can easily carry your operating system in your pen drive. I have a laptop, I want to go to travel. I can't carry entire my desktop or laptop. So I connect a pen drive with a huge, like a 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB pen drive. Connect it, go to Windows to go option and dump all your computer, operating system, application and data into it using Windows to go option, and connect the pen drive to anywhere, to the any working computer. So just to connect a pen drive, boot with a pen drive, so you'll get your system there. Okay, so like it is, even you travel, you can carry your entire system in a pen drive. If you don't understand, just leave it, no problem. Okay, it's not a big deal. Client Hyper-V. Hyper-V is one of the feature. Okay, using Hyper-V. Okay, Hyper-V, we can create and run virtual machines in local physical machine. Okay, you can create and run virtual machine. Okay, so virtualization tool, it's available in Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise only. Okay, Hyper-V not in a home edition, Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise. Okay, what is the use? We can create and run virtual machine. Okay, run multiple test OS in single physical machine. That is a virtualization purpose. Okay, support multiple device types, bring your device security enhancement. We don't understand, we don't go for it. Bring your own device kind of stuff, we don't go for it. Okay, yeah, Action Center, Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Edge, consolidated settings, multiple update sources. These are the some features came from there. Okay. This Microsoft Edge. So I'm using a Microsoft Edge. It contains its own features anyway. Okay, of course, news kind of stuff, sharing kind of stuff, or a blog kind of stuff, writing kind of stuff, so many other features. So what is a Microsoft Edge? The default web browser in Windows 10. It's not there in a Windows 8. Action Center. So this is your Action Center, guys. This is your Action Center. What is Action Center? You can convert your Windows to tablet mode. Okay. So if you click on this tablet mode, then look at here. This is a tablet mode. I don't know how you look at your my system, but this is my tablet mode. Okay. I'm changing to normal mode. Okay, so the screen is I convert my system to tablet mode. Okay, so like in Action Center you can do so tablet mode kind of stuff. Okay, you can manage your network connections. You can change your laptop mode to airplane mode, Bluetooth connections, VPN. You can convert your Windows 10 like a mobile hotspot. What is mobile hotspot? If in case you are connected with a wide connection, your laptop is connected with a wide connection. Through your Wi-Fi, you can distribute that internet to other Wi-Fi devices. Like your mobile phone hotspot, you connected to data through your mobile phone Wi-Fi. How you distribute your data to others? Same thing, we can able to do it. But connection is here. Not that either data or wide connection through Wi-Fi, you can able to make your laptop as a mobile hotspot. Okay, airplane mode, tablet mode. This is a new feature in a Windows 10. Main important Windows 10 feature. So you can not required to go to Windows to go kind of stuff. Okay. Important features of Windows 10 is Microsoft Edge, tablet mode, Cortana. Okay, this is the Cortana, guys. So it is a voice assistance. What is Cortana? It is a voice assistant type like your Siri and other things. It uses Bing search. Microsoft search engine is Bing search. Cortana, what is Cortana? Yeah, that's me just showing that one under. Okay. What is use of Cortana? You don't understand. Okay, so either I have to press the mic button or sometimes it will understand. Cortana, what is the use of Cortana? What is use of Cortana? It don't know itself also. Microsoft yeah. It is like a voice assistant. You can shut down like this also. We can able to do it. Okay. Yeah, someone is telling something. I didn't hear. Tell me again. Microsoft Assistant. Assistants. Okay, Microsoft Assistants. Okay, it's like a voice assistant type. We have a Google Talk, Siri, and this is Cortana. It belongs to Microsoft. Tablet mode. Like so, there is so many other features also there in a Windows 10. So this is a Windows 10 Anniversary Edition. Contains like a Cortana, remote credential guard, hello for a business. Okay, Windows updates, continuous updates are there. Active hours also there. These are some more kind of stuff. Active hours means like a morning, evening. That will also will show you. Okay, so remote credential guards. So it has become bigger. Okay, not required to remember everything, guys. What do you know? What do you know? What you learn in your training? So Windows 10. What do you know about Windows 10? So tell you about Windows 10. Some features. Important features are. What is the important features? Cortana, Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge. Okay. Now the name is changed. It's a Microsoft Store. Okay. This is a. It is also there in Windows 8, but I am putting here. Action Center, Consolidated Settings, Mobile Hotspot, Tablet Mode, because the tablet mode is not there in Windows 8, and Mobile Hotspot is also there in the Windows Store there in a Windows 8, but Windows. This is there in Windows 10. This is in the Windows 10 only. Windows Hello for Business is a password management. Windows Hello, I'm removing for a business part. Okay. What is this hello is like a login method. Okay, it is a kind of login method. What is it is thumb print, right? You can log in with a thumb print. Okay, Windows hello thumb. Okay, biometric passwords. It's like a biometric password, voice or a picture password. I will show you Windows hello thumbprint also. So go to the settings. Okay, and accounts. Update and security. Yeah, personalize. Yeah. This is sign in options. Go to sign in options. Windows hello face, fingerprint. Okay, hello pin. These are the main three hello features. These are other normal password, picture password, security key. Okay, so what is the hello features? Hello face, login method or a sign in. Okay, what are the sign in thing? Hello face or a finger print. Pin, hello pin, but we required a, for that one we required a point. Okay, so Windows hello is one of the beautiful feature of Windows 10. Of course, Windows 10 also having Hyper-V. Hyper-V is used to create a virtual machines in it. It is a feature, not a program kind of stuff. Okay, it's available in a Windows 10 or Windows 8 Professional and Enterprise Edition. Okay, so Windows to go, it is difficult to explain for you at the time of interview. So no problem. You will explain the OneDrive, you know that one. So you can happily tell OneDrive, and reset option is also there. In Windows 8, we have a reset and refresh option, but we have a reset option, advanced repair options. Advanced repair options are there. Advanced startup for a repair options. Yeah, what happened? Okay. Recovery tools. This is easy. So we have to put a very less, then we'll understand more. Start menu, start kind of stuff. I think this is enough for your Windows 10 features. Okay. Passwords are very good. This is very password. So like a normal password, picture password. It's not a hello feature, but it's a kind of password part, and security key is also there. That's 614. Okay, why we use a Windows 10? Why we require for a Windows 10? Why it is easy to use, continuous update, improve device management, distributed of apps by Windows Store, more secure kind of stuff. Windows 10 editions. Okay, I will go to point by point, guys. Then otherwise we cannot cover. Okay, these are the what are the Windows 10 editions. The first edition is Windows 10 Home Edition. Any person can able to use Windows 10. Nowadays we are purchasing a laptop with a Windows 10 Home. People, Windows 10 Pro is also there, which is anybody can able to buy Pro. Cost difference is there. Home edition is around 6,000 to 7,000. Pro edition is around 16 to 20,000. Okay, and the costliest one is Windows 10 Enterprise. The Enterprise is only for enterprise purpose only. Only for enterprise. Only for organization purpose only. Okay. Only by organization. Enterprise organization. Big companies are there now, so they use enterprise edition, not for everyone. So Home and Pro are used by everyone. What are the not there in a Home edition? That is very important. No, local. No. I will tell that separately. We'll discuss. Okay. Future wise differences are there. Okay. Future wise differences are there. Next. Why I'm giving a gap? So look at here. I'm giving a gap. Windows 10 mobile. In a mobile, there is a mobile enterprise is also there. Next, Windows 10 education. For example, you are studying in a university or a college or a school. If your age is more than 13 years, your principal will give you a license to use Windows 10 education for a student's purpose. Okay, it's not something like education CDs, DVDs will be there. It's not like that, guys. It is also Windows 10 only, but the edition is education edition. Some features are there, difference from Home to Pro to the education features are different. Maybe education related tools are there. I never seen, but only for students. Education is only for students. License, bundle license purchased by Microsoft person. Okay. Windows 10 mobile, Windows 10 education. Mobile is discontinued. Okay. It is discontinued from the market. So other things also there in this PPT, like a LTSB kind of stuff, mobile enterprise kind of stuff. That is a different point. Okay. Next one is Windows 10 IoT. That is people who want to build their own IoT kind of stuff. So IoT edition is also there. In that one, core edition, the enterprise edition is also there. Okay, 1 second, there is a enterprise mobile edition is also there. So if you want to become, you want to use IoT like a Internet of Things, like you want to build your own a Raspberry, you brought a Raspberry Pi, you want to build some home automation or industry automation kind of stuff. So you want to use an operating system like a Windows 10 based operating system. So there is an edition called a Windows 10 IoT, Internet of Things. In that one, there is a sub editions also there. Windows 10 editions, Home Edition, Pro Edition, Enterprise editions. Enterprise only by organization, means only company will purchase that one, not individual users. Home Edition, Pro Edition, anyone can able to use it. Future wise, there is a difference. Important is first three only. Mobile is discontinued. Education only in a college, schools, educations only for students. IoT, people who want to do IoT kind of stuff, there is a Windows 10 IoT. In the future, maybe if you want to install Windows 10, okay, you want to install Windows 10 in a future, so these are the minimum requirements. Okay, minimum requirement to install Windows 10. So it required a CPU 1 gigahertz faster. It's just a knowledge sharing, like 1 gigahertz faster CPU. Basic CPU is required. Either your operating system, you want to install 32-bit OS in the 32-bit hardware. 1 GB RAM is minimum requirement. You want to install Windows 10, 64-bit Windows 10 in a 64-bit CPU on 64-bit system. Okay, you require a 2 GB RAM. Okay, if you are installing 32-bit operating system, your hard disk free space must be 16 GB minimum is required. And if it is a 64-bit, minimum 20 GB is required. This is the basic graphic card drivers to see the screen, and minimum display resolution is 800 to 600. 800 to 600. So these are the minimum requirements to install a Windows 10. These are the additional features. If you require, like a biometric hardware is required, if you want to use Hello, okay, you want to use BitLocker kind of stuff. Okay, we don't go much. I don't want to go that much. These are so many are there. So if I go, it will take a lot of time. If anybody is interested to read this PPT, I will share it separately. Okay. So this is the enterprise deployment. In enterprises, how you deploy a Windows 10. Okay. And this is the upgradation paths. So what is your lower edition? So you want to upgrade to Windows 10, what are required? You can upgrade to Windows 10 from Windows 7 and Windows 8 and 8.1. Okay, you can upgrade from. Okay, here it is. Upgrade from upgrade to Windows 10 from Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. Okay. Okay, so that is a important point. Only thing is hardware compatibility is required. Okay, you have to check hardware compatibility. Means 32-bit, 64-bit, 1 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM, free disk space kind of stuff. Okay, so you have to check the compatibility, hardware compatibility, like a CPU 32-bit, okay, 64-bit. What is you have existing one? What you are upgrading? 32-bit to 32-bit, 64 to 64 only. So no interchanging. Okay, RAM sizes, compulsory RAM, so free disk space. Free disk space is very important. Next, so check the editions. Editions also very important. Okay, you have a Windows 10 edition. Sorry, Windows 7 Home. You can upgrade it to Windows 8 Home or 8.1 Home or Windows 10 Home. Free upgradation is there. If you are a genuine guys, it's make sure your Windows 7 is genuine. You have a Windows 10 Professional, Windows 10, 7 Pro, genuine. You can freely upgrade it to Windows 10 Pro. Okay. So same editions, no problem. Same editions, free upgrade earlier. Now it is not there, so don't worry. Okay, free upgrade. Free upgrade earlier, direct upgrade. So these are the minimum requirements and upgradation thing. So total upgradation, I told like that. Okay. This is difference between upgrade and migrate, guys. So always keep that point in your mind. So what is the difference between upgrade and migrate? So what is a upgradation from lower edition to higher edition? It is a upgrade. What it is? What is upgrade from lower edition to higher edition? It is upgrade. Okay. So um, migrate means you are moving from old to new one, or from one system to another system, or you removed entire operating system and reinstall. That is called a migrate. Migrate means moving. Upgrade means you are go to new version. Okay. Always there is a certain definitions are there. So look at those definitions like a what is update, what is upgrade, what is migrate, this kind of stuff. Okay. I don't go to that much. I want only one. What is update and what are the USMT? A lot of things are there. Just I want only one. Then I will tell complete. Okay. Only one. This is important. So I am going for this one only. So what is a activation? So what is activation, you guys? When you install an operating system, okay, so we have to activate operating system by giving a key, right? So that is most of the people know that one. So when you are install an operating system, compulsory you have to give a key. A product key is there for a Microsoft because of Microsoft is it's a proprietary edition. So without a proper activation, you cannot use Microsoft products, right? So what is the activation? Give the proper key. It confirms the product and a product key status. I have a Windows 10 Home Edition. I went to Microsoft. I pay for a Microsoft for a Pro Edition. I take the key. I insert the key. Now Microsoft understand my product is now I paid for a Home Pro Edition and now I will upgrade to Pro Edition. So that is like that. Activation confirms product and product key. Activation establishes a relation between product key and a installation of specific devices. Okay, so if you are activated, so that is will confirm you are using a genuinely you are using an operating system or an application. You change your hardware. For example, you change your hard disk, or your hard disk is failure. Something system is got problem. Your CPU got a problem, or RAM is got a problem. You change your hardware. You may require a reactivation sometimes. Keep it in. Next, there is a three method of activation. So there is a retail, OEM, volume licensing. Guys, retail means you go and purchase a Windows 10 DVD, or you go to online, you purchase a Windows 10 license key from Microsoft directly. Okay, so you purchase a license key, or you purchase a direct Windows 10 DVD. There is a license key. After installation or while installation, you have to give license key. Then what happen? It will be activated. If in case you don't want to use in that particular PC now, you move to other PC. Your old PC gone. You got a new PC. So you can install OS, put your key, automatically new PC become activated, reactivated. That is a retail. Again, guys, what is retail? You purchase for an operating system, you got a key along with your operating system CD, DVD kind of stuff, or you purchase a license key from the Microsoft directly. Nowadays, directly we can able to buy, right? So you install operating system, give the key, you'll get a activated. Your system is damaged, or you move to new system, you remove your old system and give the license key in the new system, you'll get activated. That is a retail. OEM. Nowadays we are purchasing desktops and laptops from the organization like Lenovo, Dell, HP. We purchase the laptops along with operating system we are purchasing, right? So you got a laptop with operating system, Windows 10, Home Edition or a Pro Edition we are getting. The license key is not given to you. The license key is built inside your hardware only. You have a Windows 10 Home Edition in your laptop. Something is happened. You remove your operating system. You want to reinstall it. You have to install only Windows 10 Home Edition only. You have to install only Windows 10 Home Edition only. Okay. So what is the OEM? Original Equipment Manufacturer. The manufacturer of that laptop or a desktop installed operating system and put the license key inside that hardware part only. So your system is no longer working, completely damaged, become old. You want to move to the new one. You cannot move. The license cannot be moved. Your old system license cannot be carried to the new one because of hardware. Okay, that is OEM, means license comes with your device. Retail, there is a license key. Microsoft volume licensing. Microsoft volume licensing. There is a volume licensing server. There is a volume licensing server. In enterprise, means in organizations, companies like Savantis, HCL, Cognizant, Wipro, Infosys, these are a very big organizations, right? So there is a volume licensing server is there. The server will give you a license to the client computers after installation of OS. So this only admin will configure which user is a genuine user working in our organization. Only that user will get a license. So organization purchase bundle of licenses like a 10 license, 20 licenses, 30 licenses at a time. So through server, they'll distribute the license to multiple things. Like a one operating system is only one, they install OS, they give a license to you through the server. So that is called a volume licensing. Retail, you buy a operating system, you get a license key. You put a license key, you will get activated. OEM, you purchase a laptop or desktop along with an operating system. So the manufacturer of operating system, the laptop or desktop installed OS and license key is already there inside that device. So hardware is damaged, license is gone. You cannot transfer the license in OEM. Retail, hardware is damaged, no problem. You can put this same license key to another system to activate your product. You purchase a new one, you will go for new. Volume license only for organization, only for organizations, enterprises purpose only. There's a volume activation methods are there, Active Directory based, KMS, MAK. Maybe you have heard KMS, Key Management System. KMS Pico already, so like this. Volume license keys, VLK. Okay, so just this is another information, same continuous information, but it is okay. Guys, this is a basic information of Windows 10. Okay, I didn't thought I will go for Windows 10. I will thought for other thing, but it's okay. It is also very good part of Windows 10. So this is a Windows 10. I'll keep it. What happened to this? Okay, so this is Windows 10. This is the features of Windows 10. We got a small space. Features of Windows 10, editions of Windows 10. Okay, minimum requirement to install a Windows 10. Okay, upgradations of Windows 10. Upgrade and update, it is a purely optional. Okay, what is the meaning of activation? This is finally architecture of Windows 10. Guys, in our next class, means tomorrow, I will tell about some few things about a Windows 10. Okay, it's not like this kind of stuff. Okay, so what is the device drivers? What is the services? Okay, what is device drivers? What are the services? What is event management? What is safe mode? What is safe mode? Okay, how to create a another local user? What is local user? Okay, so these kind of stuff. What is a domain user? This kind of stuff I will tell. Okay, it's more possible. Only one question. Last question is. Guys, is tomorrow morning do you have any class like a communication class is there tomorrow morning?
No, sir.
Okay, then I will